Face diet no line get rid of wrinkles between eyebrows. 1. Place finger overlap between the eyebrows. Massage in circles to loosen the muscles. Repeat 3 times. Two. The thumb and index finger pull wrinkles between the eyebrows up vertically, and release. Repeat 10 times. Three. The thumb and index finger pull wrinkles between the eyebrows up horizontal, and release. Repeat 10 times. Four. Use all fingers apply from the eyebrows to the middle of the forehead. And from the bridge of the nose through to the back of the head. Repeat 5 times. I hope this video has been helpful. And you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And like and comment below.